Hello, hi, good evening. Today we are going to learn about wall sweep and wall reveal. And today we are going to learn how to create a profile and how to use it in a wall sweep and wall reveal. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to start from the beginning so that you will understand better. Let's go to new project. So I'm going to new and I'm going to select a project. I'm going to browse the template. Let's go to a metric template, English default metric. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we are going to draw a wall. You can go to architecture and take a wall and draw a wall. You can also draw a rectangle. Let's go to 3D view. This is our wall. Now I'm going to show you how to add a wall sweep and wall reveal. Here I'm going to add some door and window so that we will understand how this will work with the door and window. So here I have a wall, door and window. Now I'm going to add wall sweep. Let's go to wall. So here you can find wall sweep and wall reveal. Let's go to wall sweep. So here you can see the placement options horizontal, vertical and restart wall sweep. And here we have a wall sweeper type. And if I go to edit type and we have the wall sweeper properties. So these are IFC properties. These are identity data. The subcategory of wall is mentioned as wall sweep cornice. And so here is the material and the profile. So profile, if you want to change, you can change here. And these constraints are so important. So what the wall sweep should do? Should the wall sweep cut the wall or the wall cuts the wall sweep? So we have to mention here and cut by intersect. In case if you have a door or window, should it be cut? Here we have an option cut by inserts. Then we have a default setback option from the wall. From the wall, in case if we need a setback, then we can mention here. So now I'm going to apply the wall sweep. I'm selecting horizontal and here you can see this is showing the preview of wall sweep. Here if I click, I don't see anything. I have to click on restart wall sweep. Once I click on restart wall sweep, I can add the next sweep. Restart. I can add again and then restart. I can add again and then restart. So this is the wall sweep. I'm going to give double escape. When I select the wall sweep, you can see this is broken by insert. It's a door, broken by a door. In case if I delete the door, then the wall sweep will continue there. Now I'm going to show you how to create a profile for wall sweep. To create a profile, go to file, go to new, family. Here we have to select a profile. So we are going to select a profile for wall sweep. Take metric profile, open. So here this is the profile, and I'm going to create a profile. You can also create with the metric profile template, or you can create a host template. So after opening the template, you have to check the family category and parameter. Here we have profile category, and if we check the family parameters, profile usage, now it is set to generic. So we can change this to wall sweep and then say OK. Now I can create the wall sweep. Let's go to create, and I'm going to take a line tool. Then I'm going to draw the profile. 15 mm, another 15 mm, 15. So this is a small profile. I'm going to save the file. Save, Control S, save. Go to my computer. Go to folder. I'm going to a folder. In my computer, I have created a folder called Revit Family Training. You can create your own folder. Here I'm going to save the family. Let's call it as wall sweep. So here I'm giving a name. You can give whichever name you like. This is just a name. You can give any name. Let's go to options and mention the backup numbers to 1, and then say OK and save. Now the file is saved. I'm going to load into the project. Now, if I go to the 3D view to create a new profile type, I have to select the existing wall sweep and then go to edit type, then duplicate. You can give a new name. You can give any name, then say OK. Here under profile, you can select wall sweep tutorial profile and then say OK. So once they say OK, it is changed to the latest profile. If you want to change this sweep profile, you can change from the type selector. To add a new profile, go to architecture, under wall, select wall sweep, then go to horizontal, and now you can add the latest sweep type. Restart wall sweep, and here you can see the profile. If you want to add to other side, you can click here, and you can add. Once it is finished, you can give a double escape. So this is how you have to create a new profile for a wall sweep. Now I'm going to show you how to add a wall reveal. Now I'm going to show you how to create a wall reveal. To create a wall reveal, go to architecture, under wall, you can take wall reveal. You can check the placement options. Click on horizontal or vertical to place a wall reveal. You can also change the type of wall reveal in the type selector. Then you can place. So this is showing the preview of wall reveal. Just click to add. Now it is not showing anything, but once you click restart reveal, it will show the wall reveal. Here you can see this is the wall reveal. If you want to add the same wall reveal to other side, you can click on add or remove walls, then select the wall. So this will add the wall reveal. In case if you want to create your own profile for wall reveal, you can create. Go to file. To create a wall reveal profile, go to file, new, family. Here you can select the template. For wall reveal, you have to select metric profile reveal template. Open it. Once you open, you can see this is the wall face and the right side is the wall. So whatever the profile you draw on the right side will be going inside the wall. So let's draw the profile. I'm going to create and I'm going to take a new. I'm going to take a line tool, select, and then I'm going to draw the reveal profile. So this is my reveal profile. I'm going to save this file. Let's go to file, save as family under Revit family training folder. I'm going to save. In your computer, you can create your own folder and you can save the file. We have to give a name for the family. This is just a name. You can give any name. I'm going to options and I'm going to set a number of backup file to 1 and then click on OK and save. Now I can load this into the project. To create a new wall reveal type, select the existing wall reveal, go to edit type, click on duplicate. Here you can give a new name. You can give any name. This is just a name. Say OK. After that, under profile, you can select the new profile which we created just now. Click on OK. Now it is changed to the new reveal profile. Let us take a section to check this wall reveal. I'm going to level 1 and I'm going to take a section. Right click and go to view. Here you can see this is the reveal profile. To add a wall reveal vertically, you can go to architecture under wall, select wall reveal and then click on vertical and click on the wall. Before clicking on the wall, select the wall reveal type, then place the wall reveal on the wall. Once you place, you will see the preview. If you are okay with it, you can click on restart reveal option. It will show the wall reveal. I hope now you understood how to create a profile for wall sweep and wall reveal. Try yourself. In case if you have any doubt, let me know in the WhatsApp chat. Thank you. Bye bye.